Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video doing a 2-year review on the Goodthreads men's socks. These are socks that you can purchase from Amazon currently for $8.70. It's going to be a 5-pack of socks. They've got about 10 different patterns or varieties of packs, so you can just look on their website as far as designs. This pack is the pack that actually has, it's going to have 2 separate dog socks, okay, or 3 separate dog socks. So there's going to be one sock like this, there's going to be another one with these dogs, and then another one with these dogs, and then there's a blue and gray striped sock, and then this kind of like wavy beige and black, or not beige, tan and black color. So a backstory on this, actually my parents gave me this pair of socks because I actually went down for Thanksgiving, and my parents' dog actually ruined one of my Yijimong socks, and it's actually the dinosaur socks. You can actually check out a prior video I've done on those socks, but they're very comparable. But as a result, they ended up getting me these. Interestingly though, probably about 2 years ago, they actually got me this exact pair for Christmas because I just am into socks and I have like 50 pairs. So I actually pulled all these out from my drawer, and all of them are still around. They're still standing around. They don't have any holes or anything in it after 2 years. So they've held up really well with routine use. However, I do have like 50 pairs, so I don't wear them as frequently as you'd like. Of these pairs, I probably wear this one the most, the blue and gray, just because it's easier to do. The dog ones I kind of wear hit or miss. And then this one, interestingly, like it goes with certain things, but it's not the best. But of all these socks, for some reason this one feels the tightest as far as comfort and fit. So it is what it is. Regardless, what I'm going to do is just open this up just to give you a sense of what it is. Really, this video is just for those of you that are looking on Amazon right now to give you a sense of whether these are worthwhile to purchase. But this is the pattern for this packet. With all the different styles for this. And so that's what they look like. They're kind of your normal stretchy men's socks. They're kind of a polyester blend, not really silk or anything. They do hold up clearly by the fact that I've had them for the past 2 years. And so if you're interested in purchasing these for $9, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of socks, and they do last for a while. So that's really all I have for this video. If you have questions, comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll put a link in the description below for where you can purchase these from Amazon. They definitely have other patterns, so you don't have to get dog socks. They've got kind of normal ones in different colors and stuff like that, but check it out. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and as always, please subscribe.